Hello, my dear children. Good morning to everyone. How are you all? How is your family members? I hope everyone is fine, isn't it? Be safe, children, and keep social distance when you go out. Okay? Children, today I am going to teach poem which comes in your third standard first topic. Okay? The name of the poem is What Would You Like to Be? What would you like to be? In your second standard you learned poem, isn't it? Okay, let's see what is a poem. A poem is a piece of writing. A single line of text from left to right. The pattern of rhymes within the poem. What is the pattern of rhymes? Let's see the paper. This is very familiar to all. I hope from LKG onwards you sang rhymes. Isn't it, children? Okay, see. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is one of nursery rhymes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, children. The pattern of rhymes of any poem can be identified by observing the words at the end of each line. The words at the end of each line. The pattern of sounds that repeats at the end of a line. Okay, let's see. What is the last word of first sentence? Star. Very good, children. I write here star. Then what is the last word of second sentence? R. Very good. So you just now pronounce star R. The pattern of sounds that repeats. Okay. What is the last word of third sentence? High. Very good, children. What is the last word of fourth sentence? Sky. Very good. Then remaining? Yeah, star, R. This is the rhyming words. Star, R. High, sky. Star, R. In this same way, you just practice in any other poem. Okay? Now, I am going to show my textbook. You just see the poem. Okay, children? This is your poem names. What would you like to be? It means, what is your ambition? It means, what is your ambition? Mostly in your house, your parents and relatives ask this question. What is your ambition? Isn't it? Then what's your answer, children? Yeah, good. Some of them want to become an IAS officer or a doctor or an engineer and so and so. Here, in this poem, the poet wants to tell his ambition. Okay. In your second standard, you learned modes of transport. Isn't it? What are the modes of transport? Yeah, good. Land transport, water transport, air transport. See the picture. Land transport, water transport, air transport. See, children, in which vehicle would you like to drive? A good car, ship, rocket. Good, children. Here the poet wants to drive a train, but in different way. Let's see the poem lines. I will read the poem, children. Let's see the lines. What would you like to be? I shall be an engine driver and make my engine fly across the river and the streams and straight across the sky. My engine shall be mighty the moment I am in it, and it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute, and thousands looking will say, what guts this boy's got. He is not an engine driver, but a mighty astronaut. Once again, I will repeat, children. Be attentive. What would you like to be? I shall be an engine driver and make my engine fly across the river and the streams and straight across the sky. My engine shall be mighty the moment I am in it, and it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute, and thousands looking will say, what guts this boy's got. He is not an engine driver, but a mighty astronaut. See, children, they gave bold letters. Guts, mighty. These are hard words. See meaning in down. Mighty, powerful. Guts, courage. Mighty means powerful. Powerful, powerful. What is meaning powerful, children? Yeah, good. Very strong. So, mighty means powerful. Once again, powerful, powerful. Guts, courage. Courage, courage. What is the meaning courage, children? Yeah, very good. Very bold. See spelling once again. Courage, courage. Mighty, powerful. Guts, courage. Write the meanings in your note, children, and a poem also. It is very useful to read the poem as soon as possible by your textbook. I will explain the meaning tomorrow, children. See the board, children. I wrote homework in the board. Write the meaning. Mighty, guts. Write the answer in your note. Thank you.